we have added the drone mode in Islamabad drive. So what you can do is you have three types of drones. So this one and this one. This is the fastest, and you know what is great about this? It goes up. So if you press space, it goes up, and with control it goes down, and you can actually turn it, you know, fly it over the. Let me just go up a little so that, look at this. So the drone mode is also here now, and let me go here. Maybe let's go towards Margara Hills, and this is a depiction of F8. Well, I haven't worked on the buildings. I will be working on the buildings. I will be improving the graphics, but mostly I was thinking more about the gameplay. So that is why. So we have blue area and the D choke is there, and then I've actually showed you this, but the drone modes are, this is amazing. So we have three drones. So this is the first one, and all of these were built in Blender, so they are from scratch. These are not any models that uh, were downloaded from Sketchfab or those sort of thing. And the great thing about this is that it can go up. So you are going up, up, up. This is good. It's a bit slow. I think I need to work on that. And it can strafe, like, you know, if you press like this, or you can do it like this. So this is really fun. And well, you have this mode also when you don't see it, and three types of drones to choose from. These two are very slow, but this one I really like, the Falcon FPV. So this is good, and you can see the Faisal Mosque in the background, very far away. And so that's it. And if you want to exit from this, I will press V, and now I have my Swift over here. So this is another mode, and we have these different cars. And the third mode is that I am on foot. So now I am on foot. Let me press the mouse button, and I can simply walk. So this is really amazing. And if you press V, you go to a drone mode, and there is a metro bus. So well, still it needs a lot of improvement, but we have the Islamabad map, we have a few landmarks and the trees, and well, they don't look as good as I want at the moment, but I'm more uh, focused on the gameplay, like having a drone, the car, and these sort of things, and walking around. And I think now I think I have nearly perfected this. So except for, like, you know, the speed issues and maybe those sort of, and I think after this I'm going to make this map more realistic, because the fence of a metro bus is missing, and also the metro bus looks a bit smaller, but the sectors and the way this is done, it is from open map. So this is exactly how these sectors are where they are. So but I need to add markers, so there is still some work to do before I release this game. But still I think that as a starting point, this is something really good. And and everything was accelerated due to Claude. So really, Claude has amazing. And this drone was built with Opus 5. They have newly released it. I think it was made available today, uh, and it's really amazing. So we have this drone, and we have the bigger drones, and this one also, the slower one. So this is Scout X1, or, and this is Sign M4. But I love this one, this smaller one, Falcon FPV. Look at this. You can just move it around, play around, and the speed is amazing. I do hope that you like this, and I will be adding more functionality and sharing those with you as well.